It's Monday morning, Crystal Beach boat ramp. Northwest wind 15 to 25, gusting to 30 plus. Miserable day out here. You can see there's nobody around. The lake's a mess. You can book a guided trip. I'm back. The boat's ready to go. Minus a trolling motor, it got stolen. Batteries got stolen, but the boat's back. Making it work. Giant bass out there. Guaranteed you're going to get some. Want to get some perch? Found the school. Walleye, they're starting to. A little slow right now, but you can still get them if you want. Guaranteed, or your next trip is free. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. Good luck. Go fishing.